Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caters. In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to tell how much propane is in your propane tank so you don't run out while you're in the middle of cooking, or if you've got a heater or whatever it is you don't want to run out. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now we do have other videos on how to do that where you can weigh your tank and find how much you have by using a bathroom scale. You can check that out. We also have one where you do the warm water method, where you pour warm water inside a tank and you feel it with your hand. We have a video on that, so how you can do that also. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel or give this video a like, we really would appreciate that. It'll help get this video in front of more people. So the easiest way to tell how much gas is in your tank is by using a gas stop valve. Gas Stop is a company, they reached out to us a while back and was telling us about the product, the emergency shutoff valve they have. But the other great thing about this emergency shutoff valve they have is it also has a gauge on it, and it'll tell you how much fuel you still have in your propane tank. Now, the emergency shutoff valve and the fuel gauge is really easy to use. What you do is you just cut your tank on, you connect it the same way you connect your adapter to your grill or your burner to the tank itself. Super easy. And then you connect to the gas stop valve, and you'll see that when I turn the tank on, it went from being down here below the red to in between the yellow and the green. That means you got good gas, you got a good amount of gas. And when you get down here to the red, it means you have about 30 minutes of gas left that you can cook on. So you know it's time to go get your tank refilled or go exchange it when it gets to the red. So it's a super easy way to tell how much gas in your tank. That's always important. We have an affiliate link that you can buy these through. We'll have that in the video. We'll have it in screen. We'll have it down in the description if you want to check one out. But if not, check out those other videos I told you about, how to find out how much fuel you have in your tank. So once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caters. Try out the Gas Stop emergency shutoff valve. It's a good product. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.